Hello everyone. So today in our tutorial, we're going to be making a potion in MCreator, and this potion will be a Chinese New Year potion. What that means is we will add 2 potion superpowers to our potion, and it will activate when it's applied. And the next thing would be that we'd add a picture that is related to Chinese New Year for the icon of our potion. We're going to begin making our potion in Minecraft. First, please make sure you open MCreator. And to start, we can click on this plus over here. And then after you click the plus, as you move, we will see the potion option. And you click on that. And then here it asks you to enter a name for the potion. Here, we can just call this CNY potion. And then click on create new potion. So as we've already added the name, next we need to pick a color. So we click on this 3 dots and choose a color. This is Chinese New Year. You can find a color that is sort of reddish. So I might pick this one over here, little lightish, darkish red. And then here we have potion icon. Now with the potion icon, this means what will your potion's picture look like? So you can click on this plus, and here, if you have an image already saved on your computer, you can save it. So I have this of a ox. So I'll click on open, and then here, since it's already existing in my computer, I can click on cancel and just click on here and click on this. If it's not there, you can click on plus and then add in the image and then click open. So remember, your image should be a .png file. Something as in JPG or JPEG would not work. So make sure that the file extension is .png. After that's done here, then all of these options, you can leave it alone for now. Then we can click on triggers. Once you click on triggers, this is where you can run a procedure under a certain circumstance. So these circumstances are over here. And if we're not going to be using this for now, click on save. Once that's done, we can move on to making the procedures. So we can click on plus, and then we can move all the way here and click on procedure. And then you can call this CNY potion, or you can just call this CNY and click create new procedure. So as we're here, this is where we do the coding part of our potion. So you can click on entity management, and as you scroll down, you will see this block, add potion with level 1 for 60 ticks to event and type. So you can drag this out, and then just with your keyboard, you can press Command or Control C, and then duplicate it by pressing Control or Command V. Once that's done, we can look at our code and see how we can modify it. So here it says apply with level 1 for 60 ticks to entity. So this entity is us, as in our character. And 60 ticks is a very short while in Minecraft. So to increase the potion effect for a longer time, we'd have to change these ticks. So we can change this to this amount. We can change this here to this amount too. So what happens is effectively we're trying to make this potion effect last almost forever. And then here we have type. So in type is where you can choose your potion effect. So I am going to add in regeneration. That would mean it would regenerate my health. And the type, I would change this to water breathing. So this will help me to breathe underwater. So once these two things are there, we can click on save mod element. Once that's done, we have our potion and we have our procedure. We go back to our potion and click back on triggers. So here, under these situations, we can run a procedure. So as we made a procedure just now called CNY, what we can do is when the potion is started / applied. So in this situation, we want to apply our effects from our potion. So click on CNY, then click on save mod element. So you can click back once again just to check. and make sure that it's there. Then we click on save. After that's done, we can click on the play option here, and we can head to our console and wait for it to load. As Minecraft is loaded now, we can move our mouse, click on single player, and then here we can delete this. And then we can create a new world. Make sure you change it to created. Click create new world. Now that our world has loaded, we can explore. And the first thing we can do is we can click on E. So once you click on E, you can click on search items. You can type in CNY. So notice our potion is over here. And just drag it here and press escape. So we have this potion. And as we're in creative, our health is full and we're able to survive under the water as long as we want. So to test this out properly, click on T, put a slash, type in game mode, and then survival, and then press on enter. So here, what we have is our health bar, and we have our hunger bar. In order to apply this potion, you click on right click and then consume this potion. So you can now see on the screen there is the ox design from our image that we uploaded. And then we have the health and water breathing potion activated. So now we can actually test this out by heading to the water. So let's do that. Let's find some area with water and apply it and see how this works. So what's supposed to happen is that you should be able to breathe underwater as long as you want. You should not reduce in health or ability to breathe underwater. So let's test this out. Let's go. And you will see right now that I'm underwater, but my health is not decreasing, neither is the water bubbles decreasing. So it allows me to effectively go underwater and stay for as long as I want and not lose any health at the same time. So if I press on the E, you can see that I have my CN1 potion. I have this water breathing effect and I have regeneration. Go back and there you go. We've applied our potion. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at First Code Academy. And this was part one of our tutorial where we've made the potion. There's going to be a second part where we make a animated tool for Chinese New Year using MCreator in Minecraft. So hopefully you join us there too. Thank you very much. Bye bye.